Before we continue with this video, I'm working on a series where I'll be editing your images. So if you want me to edit your work, you can send photos to the email address on your screen. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 10 free presets for Lightroom. I'm going to put the link down in the description below where you guys can get these presets all for free. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use each of these presets and how they work on this image, and then also show you guys on some other examples on the screen afterwards. Here is like the free preset one. Now with this, you guys can like make little adjustments if you want. In Lightroom, you guys can make minor adjustments, and please make sure your Lightroom is up to date while using these presets, because most times I get feedback from people that it's not working on their version of Lightroom. So please know that this is for Lightroom desktop only, and it should be the latest version of Lightroom for it to work perfectly. So this is the free preset one, and as you guys can see, this is like more vibrant. This makes it more vibrant, and that was actually in one click that I got this result. This is another free preset right here. This one has like more of a faded, a bit of a vintage look. Like I said, you guys can also always make minor adjustments and the image could be as good as you want it to be. But one of my favorite is free preset 5, which gives it more of like a vintage look right here, as you guys can see. I really love the look that this gives the image. I hope you guys enjoy the presets. The link is in the description below, like I mentioned. So if you guys like these presets, you guys can make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll be giving you guys more presets as time goes on. You can also get the previous preset packs. The links will be down in the description below. Thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.